Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the last video, we discussed introduction to the number system. Now I am going to explain types of numbers and tests of divisibility. Types of numbers. We deal with different types of numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are a part of the number system which includes all the positive integers from 1 till infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are the natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 and there is no end till infinity. 0 does not include in natural numbers. Whole numbers. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so on are the natural numbers. If we add 0 to the natural numbers, we get whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number. Next. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the positive integers. Numbers which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. Example 6. Divide 6 with 1. Remainder 0. Divide with 2. Remainder 0. Divide with 3. Next. In 4 and 5 table, we won't get 6. So 6 is not divisible by 4 and 5. Divide with 6. So the 6 is divisible by 1 number itself, 2 and 3. 6 is divisible by 4 numbers. 6, so 6 is not a prime number. Take one more example. 7. 1 7 is 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So we won't get 7 in any other table. So 7 is a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 are the etc. are the examples of prime numbers. Composite numbers. A positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself is called a composite number. Take an example. 4. Divide with 1. Remainder 0. Divide with 2. Remainder 0. In 3 table, we won't get 4. So 4 is not divisible by 3. Now divide with 4. Remainder 0. 4 is divisible by 1 number itself and with 2. So it has 3 divisors. 4 is a composite number. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 etc. are the some examples of composite numbers. Even numbers. Now divide 2 with 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 0. If we divide 3 with 2, 2 ones are 2. 1 remainder. If we divide 2 with 2, the remainder 0. The remainder 0 means 2 is exactly divisible by 2. And here we divided 3 with 2. The remainder is 1. It means 3 is not divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Those numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Examples 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on are the examples of even numbers. Either in the ones place digit or the last digit either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then those numbers are even numbers. Odd numbers. Numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 are the examples of odd numbers. Odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. Add any two even numbers. Know this. Even numbers. 2 plus 4. It is an even number. It is an even number. The answer is 2 plus 4, 6. It is also an even number. Sum of any even numbers must be an even number. Add any two odd numbers. Take 1 plus 3, 4. Odd, 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. The answer is an even number. Sum of odd numbers must be an even number. Difference of any two odd numbers. 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2, which is an even number. Difference of any two odd numbers must be an even number. Difference means subtraction. Tests of divisibility. Divisibility rules are very useful because they help us to quickly determine if a number can be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10 without doing long division. This is especially useful when the numbers are large. Divisibility rule of 2. Multiples of 2. The ones place digit are the last digits. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. The ones place digit or the last digit either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Then the number is divisible by 2. Is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Then the number is divisible by 2. In the example 242, the ones place digit, the last digit is 2. It is divisible by 2. 307, the ones place digit is 7. It is not divisible by 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3. Sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. 243, sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Divide 9 with 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 243 is also divisible by 3. 3457. Now write sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. Divide 19 with 3. We won't get 19 in 3 table. So 19 is not divisible by 3. So 3457 is not divisible by 3. The divisibility rule of 4. The last two digits of a number are divisible by 4. The number is divisible by 4. Example 1424. 24, the last two digits. Divide 24 with 4. 4 6 are 24. remainder 0. So 24 is divided by 4. So 1424 is divided by 4. In the second example, 1500, the last two digits are 0. The last two digits are 0, then the number is divisible by 4. Let's check. 4 3s are 12, 3, 0, 4 7s are 28, 2, 0, 4 5s 20, 0. Means if the last two digits are 0, then the number is divisible by 4. Example 3, 1757. The last two digits 57. Divide 57 with 4. 4 ones are 4. 1, 7, 17. 4 fours 16. 1 remainder. 57 is not divisible by 4. So 1757 is also not divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. The last digit is either 5 or 0. The number is divisible by 5. The first example, the last digit is 5. It is divisible by 5. The second example, the last digit is 9. It is not divisible by 5. The divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, now check what is the divisibility rule of 2 by 2. So 342. One's place digit, the last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2 by 3. 342, sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Divide 9 with 3. 3 3s are 9. So it is divisible by 9 is divisible by 3. So 342 is divisible by 3. 342 is divisible by 2 and 3. So 342 is divisible by 6. Next example. Second example. 3460. Check the divisibility rule of 2. The one's place digit or the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 2. By 3. Sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. Divide 13 with 3. 3 will not divide 13. We won't get 13 in 3 table. So 13 is not divisible by 3. 3460 is not divisible by 3. So 3460 is not divisible by 6. The divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is same as divisibility rule of 3. Sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Divide 9 with 9. 9 ones are 9. So, it is 9 is divisible by 9. So, 243 is divisible by 9. Second example, write sum of the digits. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Divide 13 with 9. We won't get 13 in 9 table. So 13 is not divisible by 9. So 2326 is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. The last digit of a number is 0. Then the number is divisible by 10. The first example, the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10. The second example, 7,000. The second example, 7,891. Here the last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 10. Important formulae. We discussed divisibility rules. So here are the formulas of for long division. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is a formula you have to remember. We use this in a long division. We can write it as divisor is equals to dividend minus remainder by quotient, and also we can write quotient is equals to dividend minus remainder by divisor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon. In the next video, we are going to discuss about place values and face values and Roman numbers. Thank you.